Have you got your brand new HP NV6155E printer and ready to get connected to your Wi-Fi? I'm going to walk you through the complete process of connecting your NV6155E to your home network, step by step, right from the printer's control panel. I'll also cover installing the necessary app on your smartphone, so everything's ready to go once your printer is connected. However, if you get stuck during the setup process, then get quick expert assistance by calling the numbers on the screen. Alright then, let's get started now.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
First, what you need to do is turn on your printer and move it to its touchscreen control panel. Next, tap on the menu option. After that, scroll down and select the settings option. In the settings menu, you need to choose network option. Now, simply tap on Wi-Fi. Then, choose the Start option in front of the Wi-Fi setup. Now, your printer will start searching for available wireless networks within its range. When it shows the list of the network names, then select yours. For the next step, type in the correct password and tap on it to submit button. Once the wireless connection is successful, you will see this screen. Congratulations, you have successfully connected your printer to your wireless network. Now, we will move further to complete the setup. And if you're finding these steps easy to follow, then give this video a like and subscribe to our channel when the setup is complete. Now grab your Android or iOS smartphone and open the HP Smart app. On the app, choose the Setup or Add a Printer option. Next, you will see the screen with two options. Since we already have connected the printer to our network, we are going to choose the second option. From the list of devices, you should tap on the printer series name. Here we go. Your printer setup process will be complete now.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.